dang pe claro atong testimony ko sa kamay ta ai simroi slo ai thai mai goi pe bong zain ko ai ta lo ni tna en kai no punai le na tan pa bam ha sri mi long gai ha na school zanon tian giao tiêu kamai de orphanage home tong zanon ken giao tiêu o sumai sai sumai nang goi kai long mai kan suwan thau pastor de kin nun sumai goi Dreamy Academy. I think here lots of people will dare to dreams, and they will experience the amazing grace here in the orphanage. Hai ko me goi ha. Credit goes to kadai sna tho. One palo me pau discipline nine na nam ta zo na sam na lungang ta. Pastor tin ko mo zo si so ko. Pastor tin ko mo sadu so ta. He has been almost 18 years. Hai ko me ting thai di se lu tau am. Pai na dai na tu ko pau re sa pi le nai di ken. Na anyway. Rongmei ha. It's for all time being. We are not going to live forever. Anyway, talo no mai, swallow no mai. Anyway, tong rar na kaganti lawan ko ha. Tan lung ni za day to mai tane mi wai na ko clear ni bitong the wa ana kan mangamba opportunity pibi rito. Because greatness comes from helping others. Status ni gilak na. It comes from helping others. That's the real meaning of what humanity is. Yam nungai re, asi school se, as the name says, that the youngsters, the students dare to dream, and let all those people who stayed in the Grace Foundation home, let them experience the amazing grace of God. And I wish one of them and all the teaching communities. Pau để sai để cùng với cái đồng hồ cùng với dây ai mấy thì lâu na có mấy đồng tàn gai gai mấy nó sống tan đây dễ hả sai bây giờ phải sung là hai bữa ai coi su let's làm mình cùng sẽ hai bữa apa bữa đặt from đó mi na sida apa bữa tôi bị đi ai coi su mà coi đó tôi cũng làm rồi society ama đó at least just Visual circle nasai habu na ako so mi amada natin pang so God is there, they will also be happy. Ano na ako sigmas tabak si continue daw na manay ko pau ge family na so azana iso na sabi sabang itong so yam na tilaw na continues na diyan na society hai kailong hai anyway zati hai kasi tao me ko pau pa rin ni hu tapan mismo lo mang du thau na sa lo ni ko lo mo sa thang ko
that I will give you tomorrow. Oh, that you would never feel the fire, shiver in the cold. But I did say you'd never walk through this world alone. And I did say don't make this world your home. Find you in the night. Oh, the loneliness was something you never have to fight. And I did say I'll be right there by your side.
Singsang ito best, one of the best education kani institution hai tisulo ni mitai nai na ba mai na nun goi tau nun goi tai ndi wong lo nu bitong nai ba pui tai ndi wong lo wo cham lo ni sang zai lo ni tu mai ko na sa lo ni bitong tai anai rina tan mi tong school ministry kani children home tan gut ni mai hai secular tong perspective kono retire kar okay anai tong top ni hai one side will be education, the other side by the spiritual. Buma tong luan kau, ratsa raria tong luan kau, mansai akat sulana, tabuy suna lungni na so tabuy tuang luan kau kay kanay ka siam ko roi na long pne
Just to linger with the one who set me free. As I lift my eyes and see His awesome glory, I remember who He is and bow the knee. Bow the knee, bow the knee. He is King of all the edges, bow the knee. God alone on His throne. See Him high and lifted up and bow the knee.
Get such infrastructure to get such facilities. And I feel for education, it's not only learning academic bookish knowledge. We need physical side also, and we need spiritual side, as well as our whole discipline. Because many who are successful also, if they are not disciplined, they fail. Even after achieving what they want also, they cannot. Many officers expire before they retire because they're indisciplined or some other habits. So these things are also here. I also like to encourage our parents who are here to invest in your children. Whatever the best facilities that you can provide to your children, maybe the best school, the best place to study. And also like to encourage the students who are gathered, who are here, to also work hard, study well. There is a saying that there is no substitute to hard work.
Mayrong Kau Hai, a new school Sami Hai, is a temple of learning, learning for knowledge and wisdom. We go to church to get salvation. Karakai kau new tanto, new tong rap, papo kau kang kalum na ring bam jadi kang kalume. School tak berena ignorance, superstition, illiteracy, undevelopment, and so many others. Hai boy, di hai, tu yang kunai tong so, oh, make it make out the redemption, redeem sunu peniso, make out the walk peniso, my ninting knowledge and wisdom at high with bamtai, temple of learning, or it is a place where you learn knowledge and wisdom to redeem all the backwardness or all those inconveniences. I was so just like I bang go suriki. My temporal world salvation
to this kind of organizers, because if the students are good, their future will be good. So all those organizers who are who have looked forward to encourage this kind of hostel and this kind of school, they have done a very good job. Since, as we know that the Assam Rifles, like we all are here, I'm the man on the ground, and also my boys are here throughout 24/7. As recently I've discussed with Honorable Chairman also, hostel life, as we see that hostel life is one of the best here in this Khoupum area, because like if the students are not staying in hostel, they would not attend school. Day boarders are hardly attending the schools here. So hostel, as we see that hostel is one of the best kind of education which is providing in Khoupum. So I would like to encourage. I would like to tell the students that I would like to tell the parents to kindly encourage your students to go to school, to get admitted in this kind of school activities, and even the teachers and all students to focus on their studies so that the future is bright. So my only point here is that instead of getting motivated by seeing guns with youths, all those militants moving with left and right, so instead of getting motivated by seeing on those wrong side, there is always way for the right side. We should always try to encourage them to go towards the right side, towards the mainstream. On behalf of Commandant 19 Assam Rifles and all the ranks I would like to extend best wishes to the school organizers and Gracie Foundation Home organizers.
ไว้วางตั้งเราไม่ไม่ขังเป็นให้ช่วยกูให้เราให้นำในไว้นะเขาเสียงไว้ในที่เราไม่สุกันว่าทำไมตรงแรกแกงแต่ก็มาสลงเงี้ยช่วยกูมีจงรำเขาสักไปแกงเขาอันนี้ปันตีจงรำสักไปแกงเขาใส่มีจงรำเขาสักให้ใจรักพัสในเรื่องของมันอันนี้เราเว้ยก็มันแค่นี้ปันตีแต่ก็ไม่ได้สักไปแกงเขาช่วยกูฟังผิวเราดีไงแต่ไม่ได้ก็มาให้ลงมิงเขามาละเว้ยไอ้ก้อยนั่นไทยนะก็มีจงไทยอันนี้คริสเตียนมีนึงก้อยไทยบาบิลเราจงระแกงไทยคริสเตียนมีนึงก้อยขังกันกี่ไอ้มีจงระแกงในไทยแต่ไม่เห็นก็มาไอ้ก้อยนั่นไทยเฮ้ก็มีกี่ติ้งก็จงลำใจมีจงบานจงปันตีเขาติ้งก็ทั้งจงรำบาบิลจงปรีใจกันดีของเซนซูที่ถูกอันนี้บ้ามีตาเฮ้ก็กันไทยเลยนะมีจงกันดีเขาลุงนี่มีจงลอยคำเราจงระแกงเลยซ้ำลงไม่ได้มีจงบานกันดีเขาลุงมาบ้ามีกันเขาอยู่นะบ้าพักแต่นะบ้าไม่รู้แต่อยู่นะบ้ารักไม่ให้อันนี้เราจงละดิ้มไม่เท่แต่ละก็หมดนี่ไง เราบอกนางเซียนมาในกลุ่มฟอร์มอร์พาสเตอร์